Where did it come from? Coronavirus. What started as an epidemic mainly limited to China has now become genuinely worldwide pandemic. Did it come from land? No. This virus is not a biological weapon. Rumors on social media suggest that the outbreak was human-made. Indeed, even the most secure research centers do here and there have mishaps, and a human-designed pandemic has been recognized as a potential hazard to our civilization. However, there is a whole lot of nothing proof that either has occurred. Numerous comparative infections are found in wild bats, and it appears to be likely that is the cause of this one, presumably through an intermediate host. On 31st December 2019, the World Health Organization's WHO China office heard the main reports of a formerly obscure infection behind various pneumonia cases in Wuhan, a city in eastern China with a populace of more than 11 million. The disease seems to have begun from a Wuhan seafood market where wild animals, including marmots, birds, rabbits and snakes, are traded illegally. So the idea behind the spread of this contagious virus from animals to human first seen in this seafood market of Wuhan, where people works closely with animals, so that the primary individuals who infected with the disease were the people who owned the stalls at this seafood market. When humans do become infected with the coronavirus, this typically happens via contact with an infected animal. Such markets represent an elevated danger of viruses jumping from animals to humans since cleanliness standards are hard to keep up, where such live animals are being kept and butchered nearby. The animal source of the latest outbreak has not yet been identified. However, the first host is believed to be bats. Bats were not sold at the Wuhan market but may have infected some other animals sold there. From a new trusted source found the virus may have originated in bats and then spread to humans via a snake or pangolin. Do you know? Bats are host to a wide range of zoonotic viruses including Ebola, HIV and rabies. Bats have an unfortunate history of passing potentially deadly pathogens to human hosts. This isn't the first time a pathogenic coronavirus has crossed over from an animal host. Ebola, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, which seen in the year 2002, and Middle East acute respiratory syndrome, MERS, which seen in the year 2012 are recent examples. Coronaviruses are a family of viruses that cause disease in animals primarily. But there might have been species jump from animals to humans. 7, including the new virus, have made the jump to humans, causing respiratory illness that range from common colds to much more serious infections. 4 of them actually cause common cold and they have been with us for a very long time. Maybe a few more will be identified with time. Whenever a species jump appears, whenever a virus jumps from one species to another, that species will not initially have a well-developed immunity to the virus. As time passes, our ability to fight the new virus increases, Dr. Waleed Javaid, Director of Infection Prevention and Control at Mount Sinai in New York, told Healthline. In spite of the fact that the infection can affect individuals now, yet this can decrease after some time as our resistant frameworks adjust. Over time, our immune systems will adapt. Stay home. Stay safe. For such more informational videos, keep tuned. Thanks for watching.